said.
Hello guys, welcome to Take Me Devoted. I'm your friend Nitish, and today in this video I will discuss one important concept which is really very basic, but it will surprise you if you don't know this already. So let's start what I'm going to discuss right now. So let me write something first. So this is our print statement, and I'm going to print some values like 10 divided by 0. So what is the output? Okay, let me copy here some more cases. Okay, some this one. So these are few cases, and you have to tell what will be the output of this. Okay, so let me first comment this out so that we will discuss one by one. Okay, so this is the case 10 divided by 0. I have written directly that you will take variable and assign this and calculate the result and all. So 10 divided by 0, we know that if we run this we will get divided by 0 arithmetic exception, which is a runtime exception, right? Let me run this. Obviously we will get this one. Okay, arithmetic expression divided by 0. Now you must be thinking why I am going to discuss here. There is nothing new in this, but so now I want to know that what will be the output of this 10 divided by 0 0.0. 0 0.0 is also 0, so this uh, will we get runtime exception as arithmetic exception divided by 0 or something else. So we will get some, we won't get here runtime exception, we'll get something else. Now let me run this. I will explain why. Okay, first so this is infinity. This is really, if you don't know this earlier, this is surprise. But why this is happening, I will tell you. So first there is a one rule when we will do operation in arithmetic operation, or using this operator and all. So the rule is that 10 is integer type, 0 is integer type, right? By default, if you won't write anything, declare any data type, then it will be integer. So the result will be integer. How? So there is one thing that result would be max of integer, first operand data type, second operand data type. So this is integer, this is integer, so everything is integer, so it will be int type. But in this case, this is integer int type by default. By default this is double type, right? So the result will be max of int value, first operand value is int, second operand value is double, so the result would be of type double. So this is double, that's why we are getting infinity instead of divided by 0. Okay, now if we'll check this one, this is negative, right? So here we will get minus infinity. If we can check here, minus infinity, right? So why this is happening, you must be thinking, right? So the thing is that if we go to our mathematics, so something divided by 0 is infinity, right? For int value, for integer case, there is no way to define infinity. Means there is no constant defined in infinity for in integer class, but in double class we have provision to define infinity. So how is this? Here is our double class. You can we can say, see here, there is two constant value, positive infinity and negative infinity. So that's why we are getting this value, right? So this is positive infinity. If something divided by 0 in double, if result would be of double or float type, then we will get positive infinity, plus infinity, or minus infinity. So that's why we are getting these values. So something divided by 0, if you will face some multiple choice questions, don't blindly go for divided by 0. Actually most of the people do these kind of mistakes. That's why I made this video especially, so that you can focus into that. Okay, so something divided by 0 is arithmetic exception, which is runtime exception divided by 0. This is possible only in case of int values, not in float or double type of values. Now this is first thing. Second thing related to this only, what would be the value of 0 by 0? 0 is integer, this 0 is integer by default, so it would be same thing, arithmetic exception, which is divided by 0, runtime exception, right? But in case of double type, if the result would be of double type, then again it won't be uh, divided by 0 exception. So the reason is that, see, in mathematics, 0 by 0 is what? 0 by 0 is undefined. Okay, again in integer class there is no means to define or undefined thing. Okay, so here, but in double case we will get nan, which is not a number. If we run this, we will get nan, not, we won't get any exception, we get nan. Why? Again, in if you go to the double class, there is a constant defined here. See, something 0 divided by 0, you will get nan. That's why. But if you go in, if you check in integer classes, you won't get. You can check here, integer, we check here, we won't get that kind of constant defined here. That's why this we are getting these regions. So the motive behind this video is just that, don't go blindly. It is not like that. Try to find out why this is happening, what is the reason. And operator is not so easy, because we almost ignore these things, because we know that this is basic mathematics, why we should read this, why we should go in depth. But no, we should know each and everything in the detail. So this is all about wanted to discuss in this video, and hope this is helpful. And if you don't know this, it must be a surprise for you. So hope, if you like this video, hit a like button. And if you want something that I can make, if you want have any topic in your mind, then you can suggest me. I will make something on that. Okay, so thank you guys.